Miranda Whittington joins us from the WKRN.com alert desk. Miranda?
Well, Mark, we're hearing the same story across Middle Tennessee. A lot of the primary roads are improving, but the side roads are still very dangerous. Now, Columbia's mayor shared this video of a plow working on a side road, but even after it goes by, there's still snow on the road, so definitely be careful out there. Now, here's another picture from Coffee County's chief deputy. He says the main roads in the cities are not too bad, but side roads in the cities like this one are still pretty bad. And back here in Nashville, we just got this picture from Bellevue on General George Patton Road. Hopefully we'll see some improvements when the temperatures warm up tomorrow and even more on Thursday. News 2 brings you breaking news around the clock at WKRN.com.
Later on back at the crib.
Frustrated as well. This is a really sad.
The next day. Three hours later.
It's still snowing, y'all. I don't know what crazy ass person want to be driving at this time of weather. If they done stopped and thought about it, car coming up. Let's see if they make it. Well, there's plenty of snow. Look, they changed their mind. Ain't no way in the world. The other car ain't even made it up the hill unless it went straight across. Ooh, better get it. It's starting to come down. Mother Nature did not come to play. Still snowing, guys. 2 days now. Got our first car stuck, y'all. Y'all see him? He's stuck on the hill. He ain't going. What the hell would you leave for anyway?
You're so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
He's stuck. Y'all see him? Stuck on the hill. Right at the top. That's why I got stuck last time. It's that last little hump before you get at the top of the hill. Man. He ain't gonna get up there. He ain't gonna get up there. They done got out the car. That car is not gonna make it, honey. Sure ain't. I'm finna get in here and start my car. But we got the first car, y'all, right there. Let me get the camera focused because I be moving. My hands is cold. The first car to get stuck. I don't even know why the hell he would come back down now. Hey, y'all. We got the first car stuck right here. Look at him, y'all. He's not gonna get up a hill. I wouldn't dare. We got our first car stuck. I don't know what would make him drive down that hill. Okay, y'all, he done went back down. He's not gonna get up there. Let me go on and turn.
We're talking about the winter outlook. Let's dive right in. What's it gonna be as far as snow goes? I went back and looked at some of our strong El Niños here locally, dove through a lot of records, and more often than not, I ended up finding slightly above average snowfalls for strong El Niños. So I'm gonna go with a slightly above average snowfall for us this upcoming winter season. We're talking about December, January, and February. 4.7 is our average. I'm gonna go for the forecast of 5 to 8 inches for us here in Nashville, and a couple of those snows could come in a big snow for us, not accumulating throughout the year. I think we might have 1 or 2 cold snaps with a big snow possible for us. In addition to that, generally overall, I think we're looking at a mild winter and slightly above average precipitation when it comes to rain and or any kind of frozen precipitation. That's what I'm thinking as far as what we could expect this upcoming winter. Now we're just going to have to wait and see.